Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. As this is the last week before Christmas, I am going to be making a quick and easy mincemeat lattice. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. The first thing I'm going to do is take my jar of mincemeat and place it in the middle of my puff pastry. I'm now going to take my knife and cut out strips to plait. I am now going to plait my mincemeat pie. Finally, I'm going to brush with egg wash and sprinkle over with sugar. I'm now going to bake in the oven for 15 to 25 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel this year. This is my last video for 2021, but make sure to stay tuned for a YouTube short on Christmas Day on how my Christmas pudding turned out this year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope to see you all again in 2022.